Hey there, my dear friends. I've made a miracle invention, a mini metal detector, the Pinpointer. Yep, it's real. You can build one right at home, and off you go, hunting for your treasure. Who knows, maybe there's a hidden stash right under your feet. Wow, I found something cool about quartz watches. There's a year on the mechanism. Yeah, it's printed right on it. Check your watch. What year is it from? Tell us in the comments. Let's see, who's got the oldest and who's got the newest watch? We're pulling out the coil from a quartz watch. This is a super sensitive coil, perfect for a pinpointer. It can find even the most hidden treasures. The coil has 3,000 to 15,000 turns of ultra-thin copper wire, just 0.02 to 0.05 millimeters thick. It runs the stepping motor that moves the hands. Every second, it flips polarity, making the rotor move one step forward. That's why you hear the tick every second. Soon, this coil becomes a mini Tesla coil. But first, I'm off to jlcpcb.com, fast, sharp, and budget-friendly, just how I like it. I uploaded the Gerber file, and boom. Got an instant quote and placed my order in just a couple of minutes. Seriously, it's as easy as online shopping. JLC PCB delivers high-quality PCBs at shockingly low prices, starting from just $2 for 1 to 8 layers. And thanks to fully automated production, you get consistent quality and blazing fast assembly. You know what I love the most? The ordering process. It's just a few clicks. Fast, simple, no headache. Prices stay low thanks to large-scale production and quality tested, and tested again. And right now, listen to this. You can get 6-layer PCBs for just $5, plus a $30 discount coupon. Want to try it too? Check the links in the video description. Trust me, you'll love it. JLC PCB truly makes working with PCBs a breeze. I'm building the metal detector using the legendary NE555 chip. The circuit is as simple as it gets, but works like it's powered by NASA. Who knew this tiny thing could become a treasure hunter's best friend? Fun fact, the NE555 was invented back in the 70s, and it's still doing magic today. We're using just one resistor, 4.7 kiloohms. This resistor is like a quiet hero. Doesn't say much, but holds the whole thing together. We'll also need 2 capacitors, 22 microfarads, 50 volts each. They may look like tiny cans, but they pack a real punch. And of course, we'll also need 1 more capacitor, 10 microfarads, 50 volts. Small but mighty. Without it, the circuit's like tea without sugar. It keeps everything stable, kind of like grandma watching over the garden. And for the sound signal, we've got a buzzer. When it beeps, you know treasure is near. These 2 red wires go to the quartz watch coil, a tiny but super sensitive little thing that sniffs out metal like it's got treasure radar. And of course, no power, no fun. So we solder on a 9-volt battery connector. That's what brings our whole circuit to life and kicks off the metal hunting adventure. And once it's running, you'll definitely hear a nice loud beep. Whoa, I almost forgot. Here it is, a soap dispenser. Yep, we're turning this thing into the housing for our awesome gadget. Let's take out all the insides, gently, but with excitement. A simple soap pump transforms into a pinpointer. Now that's what I call an upgrade. Now we connect the coil and fix it right at the tip of the case, so it can sense. everything hidden beneath the surface. Like a magic antenna for treasure hunting, our pinpointer's almost done. Just one more spark to bring it to life. Tested the pinpointer on 3 coins. €1, €2, and 50 cents. Each sings its own tune, a different tone for each. Loudest is €2, then quieter €1, and softest 50 cents. Looks like the detector knows. Bigger money, louder beep. But really, it's about metal type and size, not price. Oh, whoa, friend. Hit that bell or you'll miss the new video. Bye-bye.